Mayeni on Uthando Nesthembu Season 3, Mayeni was busy preparing her wedding with her sisters. Mayeni doesn't want to involve Musamseleku's wives about her wedding. Mayeni was busy upside and down with her sisters to look at venue or the decor, everything. She doesn't want to involve them. Yes, Mayeni was right. Even she told Musamseleku that I don't want Makumalo to prepare my wedding. I don't understand Makumalo. That's why Macele was always triggered there. Makumalo want to be involved on some of the things she can't be involved. Makumalo have to know her position that she can do some of the things for Mayeni or for Mangwabi. So sometimes Mayeni is a straight talker and she told him that I don't want your wife to prepare my wedding. Mayeni was busy, even her bridesmaids. We saw her sister's kids are her bridesmaids in Pumelelo and her kids because she doesn't want to involve. Musamseleku was the one who invite his wives, but Mayeni doesn't invite anyone to her wedding. So sometimes it's very good when you are a straight talker. You can tell your husband that I'm married to you. I'm not married to your wives. So Makumalo sometimes have to know her position because when you want to be forward, sometimes you can get hurt with other people. They can say something to you that I didn't invite you to my wedding. So Makumalo was hurt why Mayeni and Macele they don't come to her wedding, especially Mayeni. Mayeni didn't invite her. You know that sometimes Makumalo doesn't understand the language. Don't force things. If Mayeni told Musamseleku that I don't want Makumalo to help me to prepare the wedding, Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are not supposed to be there. They are not supposed to be there at your wedding. Look at Musamseleku, or they want to be the good wives or what. You understand? So they have to know that when they are married to Musamseleku, they are married to Musamseleku. And Musamseleku now want to force them to be involved on Makwela, what. Mangwabe and Makumalo, now what I saw, they don't want to be involved on Makwela or what, because they saw it that when they want to force things, to force the relationship, even with Mayeni, Macele, you can end up getting it. But Mayeni can tell them the truth that I don't want anyone, even to tell them that the deco what Mayeni was discussing with her sisters, because Mayeni believed that her sisters are her blood people who are coming from the same family with her. Mayeni was keeping updating her sisters not to sit with the Musamseleku's wives like Macele. Makumalo was the one who was busy, like she was preparing Macele's wedding. Look now how they are respond here. So sometimes it's very good to stay in your lane when you are in polygamy, because sometimes sometimes you can get hurt because you are trying to do some of the things to people who never love you. You can say maybe one day a person can change her heart, but they don't change. If the person doesn't like you. Mayeni told her sisters that I don't want Musamseleku's wives to be involved to prepare my wedding. So Makumalo, Mangwabe, when they saw Mayeni was saying those words on television, maybe they saw it before they are on that wedding. They are not supposed to be on Mayeni's wedding. Why Macele didn't go again to Makumalo's wedding? Macele saw Mayeni told her sisters. Maybe they saw it after the wedding. You understand? That's why now they don't have a plan to reduce it. But Macele started not involved because when another woman say I don't want Musamseleku's wives to be involved on my wedding. And when you saw, guys, sometimes when a person doesn't invite you, even Musamseleku invite them, they are not supposed to be there. They are not supposed to be there sometimes because maybe something can happen on that wedding, or they are starting accusing them at the reason why something happened, even on the food or something.